Once upon a time, there was a phone that everyone was waiting for. The iPhone 17 Pro Max. Not just another iPhone, but the one that promised to change everything. When I first held it in my hands, it felt like holding the future. The titanium frame, strong yet light. The ultra-slim design, so sleek it almost disappears in your pocket. And then, the 6.9-inch ProMotion display, smooth as silk, brighter than any iPhone before. Every scroll, every tap felt like magic. But the real story begins when you open the camera, a 48 megapixel main sensor with next-gen night mode, turning darkness into art, portraits that look like professional photography, and the 8K video. It's like carrying a Hollywood camera in your pocket. Inside, the A19 Bionic chip doesn't just run, it flies. Apps open instantly, games feel more real than reality, and multitasking is effortless. Even the battery, lasting longer than I ever expected. From sunrise to midnight, it stayed with me. This isn't just a phone, it's a storyteller, a companion, a glimpse of tomorrow in the palm of your hand. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't perfect, but it's the closest thing we've ever had to the future. So the question is, are you ready to hold the future?